Mama, why are you feeding them?
I'm not feeding them.
You throw it. Why did you throw it, huh?
Nice fish. Whee! Wait!
How is this seafood run out of battery?
Maayong buntag.
Pero yeah, I didn't know.
Kabayan.
Not in Tagalog language, yeah. I just said in English.
I want to speak in my language.
No,
What
I
is
want
your
to
issue?
say
Good morning, guys. Nag-camping na sad mi. Naimik karon sa Love Lake. Nandito kami sa Love Lake.
Speak in English.
Nandito kami ngayon
I'm not
sa
gonna let you talk.
Wala, I can make you noodles. You want noodles now? Noodles? Okay. And I have bacon.
Is there sausages?
Bacon!
Sausages.
No, I don't have sausage, but bacon. The
I
one you
wanted
like.
to use for the cat.
Give some for the cat. You can give one bacon for the cat.
But that's not healthy for the cat.
Huh?
Isn't that not allowed for the cat? It's because it's oily.
No, you can give.
Okay.
We give one grill for the cat last night. We leave it in the grill. Now it's gone. Cat was there sitting, eating
Yeah,
last night.
I was hearing something like some
You heard?
rocks, some coal moving.
Ah.
I'm like, what is that noise? Is that a cat? And Mama, when I woke up to see where I was lying down, okay, I heard meow, like meow, meow, meow.
You want to go down, out and... I really want to stay like overnight here, like 2 days. How about that, Bella? We plan for 2 days. Halibo? We plan. Enough na yar, Bella.
No, I don't want to share.
No, Mama's
Don't share, Mama. I kept
Good
hearing.
morning.
Good morning.
Ew.
Bella's morning.
Nandito kami ngayon sa Love Lake.
English.
Love Lake! Hello guys, ito yung view sa Love Lake. Nandito kami ngayon sa Love Lake. Nag-camping na naman kami, nag-overnight. Ito yung mga taong tuwang ingay. Ang kagandahan dito, kagabi, sobra kasing ingay nila tapos nagpapatugtog. Tapos talagang pumunta ako ng security. Kasi may security doon sa entrance. Tapos nagro-roving yung security dito, yung malaking bike, mayroon sila nagro-roving. Tapos kasi bawal mag-camp sa may grass. May grass kasi doon 'Di ba may parang may barricade. 'Di ba may barricade? Sa tabi sa likod noon, grass doon, tapos lake. Bawal doon mag-tent. Pwede umupo, bawal mag-tent. Dito lang pwedeng mag-tent at saka mag-barbecue. Doon kasi hindi, sitting lang. And look at this.
English.
Sabi niya mag-English daw ako. Sabi ko ayoko.
English.
Doon din maraming nag-camp. Tingnan niyo. Maraming nag-camp doon. Maraming nag-camp doon. Dito din. Then, may mga Pilipino doon, nag-camp din Pilipino. Tapos, ito yung lake nila. Walking distance lang siya, mga 1 minute walk. Ito yun. Ito yung lake. Nandun din.
Move our table to the back of the tree.
Okay. Nag-camping din sila. Ito yung mga taong nag-camping. Ito yung mga taong nag-camping. Ito yung sa amin.
Make sure you use English.
Yes. Ito yung sa amin na tent. Okay. Ito yung mga tao. Magluluto ng breakfast. At saka yung naka-barricade, ano yan? Diyan ka pwedeng mag-bonfire. Sa gitna may bonfire yan. Bawal mag-tent dyan. Bawal mag-tent. Tapos itong kahoy na to, may maliit na faucet para maghugas ng kamay, pinggan, whatever. May maliit na faucet na may tubig. Tapos ito yung mga Pilipina din. Nandito sila, nag-camp din. Tingnan yung paligid. Daming tanim. Daming kahoy-kahoy. Tingnan mo. Dami. Maganda. Ito yung lugar na pinag-campingan namin. Ito yung lugar na nag-camping kami. Mga bawal gawin. May mga ganito sila lahat. Lahat ng stations, even sa entrance mayroon din ganito. Birds and fish feeding not allowed. Hindi din siya allowed na mag barbecue ka direct on the ground. So ito yun. No littering. Guys, since malayo yung washroom, kasi lalakad ka pa sa entrance, dito na lang tayo sa loob. Marami dyan mga tao, dyan na lang dumidiretso sa loob. Diba? Nasa nature na kami. Nasa nature kami umiihi. Nasa nature kami gumagawa ng business namin. Dyan kami. So dyan, mga tao dyan nag-ano. Ha? It's not moon! So ito yung back. Okay. So ito yan. Pwede ka dito sumuso. You guys, ito yung sa loob ng parang maliit na forest na ginawa nila. Ito yung sa loob. Parang may kanal eh. Awan ko ba para saan to? Ito yung mga kahoy. Ito yun. Sa loob. Lapit doon. Tingnan natin. So, ganyan yan. Tingnan nyo guys. Hindi ko alam kung anong klaseng to. Animals to. See? Bella, can you see that one? See, the back. What is that? It's a chicken? A peacock. Sorry, peacock pala. Ang liit. Peacock pala yan. See? It's nice color, na? What is that?
It's probably a chicken or a peacock.
No, it's a chicken. Look at the color. It's nice it is. See?
It looks like peacocky.
See, nice color. Don't come close. Nice color.
I want to fly.
Oh,
It can't fly. It just jumps and moves its wings.
it's like chicken. God knows what is this.
It can't fly. Good to know.
Come na.
Bluetooth mode. Bluetooth mode.
Tingnan nyo guys. But what do you call this? Parasailing? Parasailing.
No, sailing.
What is this?
Gliding.
Gliding. Gliding? Malapit sa kinakamp namin. Dito kami. Doon sila. Fun. So guys, ito yung breakfast namin.
No, I'm having itchy.
Eggs, bread, hot chocolate. Yum yum. Ano to?
Chocolate here.
Hot chocolate. Guys, tingnan nyo, ang laki ng isda. Ang lalaki ng mga isda dito. At saka bawal mong pakainin yan. Ay, naku, ang lalaki nila.
I went in it.
Parang koi fish to eh. See, ang lalaki nila. Ay. So guys, ito na yung lugar. See? Love Lake.
Ma, come.
Wait na.
Come down.
So lahat ng ano, tawag nito Love Lake. So lahat may heart dyan. May mga heart dyan. Sa entrance din, daming heart. They call it Love Lake. Ganda ng lugar. Alas 9 na dito. 9 o'clock, pero parang okay pa rin yung weather. Bella, tingnan mo.
I'm fishing.
Oh, you're fishing?
See?
Oh, ganda na isda. So, hala, Bella, see, I think this is a duck. They have a duck. See, beautiful duck. Ah, okay. There's duck.
Mama, do you want to come here and sit with me? I'm fishing.
He's fishing. So big ones. Come now, let's go for a walk. I think you can go in.
Ah, I spilled my shell.
Look,
There are ducks. There are ducks.
Yeah.
There.
Yeah, they went there.
It's nice.
Mama, come.
What? Where? Small ones. That is the babies. Oh, you can also sit here also. Need some privacy?
Come, Bella, sit. We'll take
You can
picture.
sit here. Come na, sit here.
But how can I do fishing here?
Enough. And this is also another heart. Heart na naman. Puso. Hugis ng puso. You can take picture here. You can have your
I took
setting set up here. People can also do Bona.
Oh, stand there, Bella.
Heart. Another heart shape.
I want to take this.
Come, give to mama. Okay.
This thing. It's very far, can't see your face. Come here. More close. Come more close. Closer. Okay, now. Perfect. You're making a shape, huh? Sit down there. Cover her, na? Cover her. Put shade on it. Smile, Bella.
Guys, maraming duckling. Oh, we have to go there also. See, nice one. Another heart, because we are at the Love Lake. Love Lake is full of heart.
Bella, stand here. Stand here. First, look at me and stand. I'll tell you what to do that, okay?
Daming mga
But I had an idea.
itik. Daming duckling.
Does it look like there's a duck on my hand?
Wow, amazing, Bella.
Is that a duck on my hand? Does it look like I have a duck on my hand?
Nice place. Another beautiful place for camping. Safe din dito kasi ano siya, may security, parang 24 hours yung security dito. Nagro-roving yung security with their, may bikes sila, nagro-roving sila. So napaka-safe at saka may toilet din. May mga toilets, madami. So walang queue yung toilets na maganda at saka malinis. Tapos at the same time, you can have this beautiful view. Bo, is it a man-made lake? Whoa! Wow, these are amazing! Ang gaganda nila! Gaganda nila! Ah, this is a white one. Hi! Woo! See, look at the duck. Hello. Hi. Hello.
One is over here.
You can just walk towards them. Ang gaganda nila. Hi. Ang sarap lechonin. Ang sarap lutuin. Kakainin natin to. Ay, ang tataba nila. Ang lalaki. Ah, we're playing. Touch. Can you touch? This one also.
Two more ducks.
Yeah, there. They're eating grass. They're eating. We're feeding the duck. Actually, bawal siya. Pero wala. Gusto lang namin pakainin. May brown bread kasi kami natira. Gusto lang namin pakainin sila. We just keep an eye on the security. Pinapakain namin. It's okay na, it will get spread in the water only. So they are eating. May puso na naman dito.
It's in the end of the road. Bye, best friend.
Malaki siya na lugar. Maganda din pang walking na din.
Wala, ganda na.
Oh, ganda ng falls. Ah. Ganda ng falls. Kahit falls, naka-heart shape din. Another thing. Setting area.
No, wala dito.
Go na.
It's so cool.
Dala, you and me can cross over, but your mother cannot.
I have an open wound.
Yeah.
I get allergy. This is not a...
You'll have to go back from
It's okay. This is not an open sea. Tatawid sila doon sa kabila. Tatawid sila doon, pero hindi ako makatawid kasi may sugat ako. Sila doon sa kabilang ano. Sa ano ba sila? Yun, tumawid sila doon. Papunta sa kabila. Papunta dito. Pero hindi ako makatawid sa tubig kasi ano, may allergy ako sa paa. Kaya bawal ako sa madumi. Hindi naman siya madumi na ilog, pero wala siyang ano, parang hindi siya ano, continue na flows. Yung parang man-made lang kasi ito na lake eh. So yung tubig pabalik-balik lang siya. Walang cycle. Isa lang, masyadong ang ano, green yung tubig. Pag mga natural na lake, like, pag mga natural na lake, yun pwede akong tumawid o mag ano sa tubig. Pero yung mga man-made kasi, hindi ako pwede yung paa ko. Kahit nga sa swimming pool, kailangan ako ano. Pero sa swimming pool, pwede naman kasi yung tubig pinapalitan naman yun eh. Nagpapalit sila. Yung sa swimming pool ng building namin, nagpapalit, nililinis din nila. Itong lake kasi parang masyadong cloudy. Hindi pinapalitan yung lake tubig. So, dito na lang ako dadaan. Yung daanan, papunta dun sa kabila. Ito may tubig. Ito daanan, tapos kabila tubig again. Parang sa gitna yung daan eh. Nasa gitna yung daan. Nasa in between siya sa dalawang ilog. Dalawang lake. Ito yung lake. Hindi naman siya masyadong, hindi naman siya madumi kasi may mga fish nga eh. Madami yung mga isda. Kasi kapag madumi, dapat walang isda yan. Kasi madumi, diba? Pero may mga isda naman. Kasi tingnan nyo, pati upuan, heart. hugis ng puso. Another heart. Tapos ito yung pataas. May isang malaking UAE flag dito. Tapos dito ka aakyat. Ito ka aakyat. Parang steps made of wood. Ito ka aakyat. Tapos, kakapagod. Tapos, sana ba yung nandun pa sa baba yung tingnan nyo dito. Maganda siya. Tingnan mo. Actually, itong lake, naka-form siya ng heart. So, nakikita mo. Nakikita nyo dito siya. Malaki yan. Malaki yan. Naka-form to siya na heart. Makikita mo talaga yung ano niya, yung form niya kapag nasa taas ka. Siguro gagamit ka ng drone, mga ganon. Then makikita mo talaga yung shape. So ito, tingnan nyo yung kahoy nila. Yung kahoy nila, nilagyan ng faucet. May faucet din nung katabi ng tent namin doon. So titingnan nyo. Wala! Diba? May tubig. Unlimited yan. Maghugas ka ng kamay. Hugas ka ng plato. Yes! I'm here! Water. And another hugis ng puso. But they have two. Faucet.
Did I reach and get a kiss from mommy?
What happened?
Kissy. Kissy.
Come na. Come na. Smile.
Wait, guys, catch me here.
Wait. They're taking pictures with this father.
1, 2, 3.
To give you a good picture.
It's so sunny.
See, ang ganda ng ano.
Mama!
Yes.
Singapore.
Okay. Ang ganda. May nag-camp pa rin dun. May nag-camp pa rin. Hindi pa umuwi.
Singapore.
Go to that other side. Big UAE flag. Restriction, please do not enter. Restricted area. Please do not enter. May mga bulaklak dyan. May mga bulaklak. Parang ano siya, parang ganyan. Pag ganyan yung lupa. Mga kahoy-kahoy. Pakiramdam ko nasa agay pistot. Pakiramdam ako nasa bukid ako.
Push your mother down, Bella.
Enough. Another setting area. Wow, Bella. Tingnan mo, see? Maganda yung heart na pagkagawa. Another heart. Ito yung daan palabas. Don't touch. Bella, swiggly maybe. No, it says no, don't touch. Ito na ang future princess. This is my future princess.
Smile properly, yaar. Be like a
Smile.
princess.
Nice. Nice one, Bella. Go inside. Inside. Oh. Oh my God. Look at those fishes, guys.
Look here, look here.
Look at those. They're going crazy. Oh my god, there are thousands of them. Not thousand, I mean hundreds. Small ones are there. Oh my god, dami nila. Ooh. Ala, that's so big. This is so big. Ang lalaki.
That's like you also.
Yan na. So big. Ah, look at, they're opening their mouth.
See, they open their mouth and like,
Yes.
look.
They're gonna see. Oh my god, so big ones. Ang lalaki nila.
Road.
Binigyan naman sila ng tinapay, tingnan nyo. Kumain sila. Ay, nako. Si, dami nila. Dami nila. Tingnan nyo. Ang lalaki ng mga bibig. Ooh. Dami nila, no? Dami nila. So nice. Uy! The duck is talking. Harting, look at this, Bella. It's too big. So big fish.
I did my fart.
So ito yung daan. Para siyang bumpy. Wala kasi siyang cement, para lang siyang mud na parang ganun lang. Mud. So ito yung papunta pa labasan. So ganito siya. Yung labasan. May lake na naman dyan. Sopsi! Ito yung labasan namin. Nasa loob talaga kami ng desierto.